For the best medical and paramedical lectures, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay connected with us.
Hello everyone, myself Janvi, studying in second year BSc Nursing in Khyati College of Nursing, Ahmedabad. Today we are going to learn about very interesting topic infertility. So let's start it. So let's start the topic infertility. First, outlines of infertility. Firstly, introduction of infertility, definition of infertility, risk factor of infertility, causes and of infertility in men and women, types of infertility, diagnosis of infertility, treatment of infertility, counseling for infertility, ethical and legal aspects of ART. Then, introduction of infertility. Infertility is a significant social and medical problem affecting couples worldwide. Infertility refers to inability to conceive after having regular unprotected sex. Average incidence of infertility is about 50% globally. Some causes can be detected and treated whereas others cannot. Unexplained infertility constitutes about 10% of all cases. According to Mayo Clinic USA, 20% cases of infertility are due to problem in a man. 40% to 50% cases are due to women. 30% cases are due to problem in both men and women. In India, approximately 50% to 20% of couples are infertile. Let's definition of infertility. Firstly, infertility is the failure to achieve a birth over a 12-month period of unprotected intercourse. Second one, infertility is the inability of a sexually active non-contracepting couple to achieve pregnancy in a 1 year. Risk factor of infertility, that causes of infertility in a man and woman. First, in a man, उसमें low sperm count less than 100 million sperm per ml of semen. Normal count is a 20 million sperm per ml of semen or more. No sperm, absence of sperm in a semen. Low sperm motility. Sperms are immotile, that's why cannot swim. Abnormal sperms. Unusual shape, more difficult to move and fertilize egg. To see the picture, first and second is a normal sperm. Then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, nine. This is the abnormal shape of sperms. Its causes are testicular infection, testicular cancer, testicular surgery. Overheating testicles, ejaculation disorder, varicocele, undescended testicles, hypogonadism, genetic abnormality, mumps, hypospadiasm, chlamydia infection. In a woman, first, ovulation disorder, premature ovarian failure before age of 14, polycystic ovary syndrome, hyperprolactemia, it's in non-pregnant state, poor egg quality. That second, problem in uterus and fallopian tubes. First, surgery, submucosal fibroids, endometriosis, previous sterilization treatment. Medication, NSAID, non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs, aspirin and ibuprofen. Second, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and last, illegal drugs. Illegal drugs, it's known as not prescribed the doctor, that's called illegal drugs. Types of infertility, mainly two types of infertility. First, primary infertility. Second, secondary infertility. Primary infertility. When a woman unable to ever bear child, that's called primary infertility. Then secondary infertility, when a woman has been pregnant but failure to achieve live birth after having a live birth previously, that's called secondary infertility. Diagnosis of infertility. First, laparoscopy to see the picture. Second, ultrasound. Third, treatment for infertility. In a man, first, premature ejaculation, behavioral approaches or medication. Second, varicose. If there varicose vein in a scrotum, it can be surgically removed. Third one, blockage of the ejaculatory duct. Sperm can be extracted directly from the testicles and ejected into the egg in a laboratory. Fourth one is a retrograde ejaculation. Sperm can be taken directly from the bladder and ejected into the egg in a laboratory. Fifth, surgery in epididymal blockage. A bypass of the blockage can be performed called vasoepidemyotomy. In a woman, first, ovulation disorder, fertility drugs can prescribe. First is a clomiphene to encourage ovulation in a case PCOS, that's full form, polycystic ovary syndrome. Second one is a metformin. Client who do not respond to clomiphene, especially when client with a PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome linked to insulin resistance. C. FSH, a hormone produced by pituitary, control estrogen production by ovaries. It stimulates ovaries to mature egg follicle. Example, gonal F, Repronex, Follistium. D. Human menopausal Fourth D. Human menopausal gonadotropin. Example, Bravel, Repronex and Menopur. IM can be SC. Genetically engineered product contains both FSH and LH. It causes of absent ovulation due to pituitary dysfunction. E. Human chlorinic gonadotropin give a combination clomiphene plus HMG plus FSH. It stimulates follicle and ovulate. Give IM or SC. F. GnRH for a woman who ovulate premature follicle during HMG treatment. Delivers constant supply of GnRH to pituitary gland, which alerts the production of hormone that allow doctor to induce follicle growth with FSH. Give by intranasal spray and subcutaneous injections. Bromocriptine stimulate ovulation by inhibiting production of prolactin. Prolactin stimulates milk production in a lactating mothers. Example, Paradol and cycloside. Give oral and IV. Okay. Infertility counseling. Infertility counseling deal with the psychosocial impact of infertility. It's terms of first intervention, treatment and after effect of both successful and unsuccessful treatment. It also involves therapeutic work to help a patient cope with the consequences of fertility treatment. Objective and need of infertility counseling. Inform a consent to offer coping strategy of couples to facilitate decision making, to offer preparation of procedure to help a client in achieve a better quality of life, to provide genetic counseling service, IVF group discussion by staff, third party reproduction for both donors and recipients, therapeutic counseling, series counseling, assessment and follow up. Advantage of infertility counseling: help to deal with the emotional stress, provide extra support, allow the client in exploring all possible options for family, help the couple to overcoming the dilemmas and deciding to right fertility treatment, explain about the infertility management and specific treatment. Role of nurse in infertility counseling: receiving the patient and family and make them sensible and comfortable for counseling. Fertility nurse specialist provide care the individual and couple before, during and after fertility treatment. Nurse need to obtain history as prenatal, family, other relevant history. Nurse has to perform primary physical examination and collect other relevant information regarding patient or reports. Give a psychological support throughout the counseling. Collect the information about test report and document. Establish the plan of care with family, coordinate care with other healthcare professionals, maintain a privacy and confidentiality of all cases, performing insemination, performing embryo transfer, ensure follow-up supportive service to individual and family during counseling. Okay, thanks.
Do like, leave a comment, and share with your friends.